So like, I wouldn't really call this like a playlist video.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Yeah. Nothing on you.
Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome if you're new. I'm so very excited that you decided to click on my video. This is just a quick little purple glitter look that I decided to do because I've been trying to like lean towards like colors, vibrant colors a little bit more. So this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on social media. I'm probably gonna leave it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, part of my makeup routine, like I need to have music in the background. So hi guys, y'all, this top is made by me. So this is the behind the scene on how I actually do my makeup every day. I'm gonna play like music, and I'm gonna be talking like while the music is playing and things like that. Hopefully it's not too bad, but I have my computer right here and I'm gonna start my makeup now. So let's get started. Okay. Do you remember? But I'm gonna just spray my face with this. I kind of always do this, like, honestly, I've been using this spray, and I never bring a product that I haven't really used on my face for a period of time unless I'm doing a review. But I always test a product out before I recommend it, and I've been using this for like 2 months, but I haven't really used it like, you know, under my makeup, and I started doing that and it's been great. So you guys should definitely get this. Then I go in with my Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. So on Instagram, you guys been asking me why I use that, you know, Nivea thing, but it's very moisturizing, and I have sensitive skin, so it's like, it's great. I always do all these steps before I start any makeup because I want to give the product time to, you know, set on my face, or should I use the word set? I just want to give the product time to, like, you know, get into my skin and do what it's supposed to do. I don't know if I want to show you guys how I do my eyebrows because I do the same thing over and over again. But ooh, wait. Honestly, I don't know why I keep holding on to this, but I am, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder on my eyebrows. Did I say on my eyes? Really? Lately, I haven't been really extreme with my eyebrows because I realized, like, they don't really need that much. Like, and we can I don't know. I want to talk about something, but I don't know what. Like, how you guys been? What you guys been doing? Like, interact with me. Talk to me in the comments, because lately life's been great to me. Yo, look at my brows. Can you guys see that? You see the hair? Like, I'm so tired of doing my brows, but I must, because I got my father's eyebrows, which are really bushy and they grow really fast. So, but yeah, like lately life's been treating me really good, and I just hope the same for everybody. Like, I hope everybody is like stress-free, enjoying themselves and enjoying, you know, do things. I'm honestly filming this and I don't even know the look I want to go for. So my brows are done. Alright, my favorite color is purple, so I think I'm gonna do something that includes purple. And I'm gonna just use my finger to just I said drop top. No habits. No. I need to invest in that MAC paint pot thingy that makes like the eyeshadow pop. But what color goes with purple? Brown. Oh no, I want it to be colorful, so I'm gonna use like a pink as a transition color. This pink looks more like a purplish pink to me. Can you guys see this? So I think I'm gonna just use a blush for now. 2 chains. Ooh, Badman. Girl, damn sugar. I don't even know if I'm saying the words right, but I think I'm gonna be using a bunch of different blushes because this is not as pink as I want it to be. Okay, hold on. We are just, I kill them with the wine. I wanna be your wife, angel. All I got is these broken hearts. I ain't got no time. It doesn't really need to be a cut crease, like it just needs to be, but it really won't matter because we're gonna put glitter all over it, so the cut crease was just like to make the purple pop more. It may look a mess right now, but I promise you it's gonna look good. Hopefully. We're gonna be using this. It's called purple glitter. I thought it had a name or something, but it doesn't. So we're just gonna be using. Ooh. We're just gonna be using purple glitter, and since I don't have a glitter primer, I'm gonna use some eyelash glue. Everything is like places where I don't even know, and I'm doing the same thing on my other eye. Oh my god, I need to buy some glitter primer but we're just gonna go right in because I'm not used to this glue, so I don't know how quick it dries. But this looks okay. Like, it doesn't look like a complete fail. Maybe it's not so bad to use the eyelash glue, but I won't say anything yet because I don't know how easy it's gonna come off. But I'm just gonna drag it the whole eyelid because it looks weird right now. Yeah, I'm gonna drag it down. My camera stopped recording and I didn't even realize, but I hope it didn't stop for that one. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna be no. So now I'm gonna add my lashes. I've been going in with the Fenty. I've been using the Fenty, alright? I'm sorry. When I first get a product and I love it and it gives me the look I'm going for, guess what I do? I use it. Okay? I'm using my Fenty until it's done. And guess what I'm going to do when it's done? I'm going to go back and get it. Because this was made for me. They say I'm not too good to. Baby, would you be too good to? Authentica, authentica, hola chica. So the mechanic, so the mocha. Yo. Listen, if it still works, guess who's gonna keep using it? Me. Like, people be buying stuff and they use it once and they throw it out. I am sorry. I am not one of those. Like, this eyelash is bugging me. Ugh, whatever. I'll fix it later. No, but I don't know. It's some people that be buying products, right? And they use it like once and never again. Like, did you not waste your money doing that? Like, I never buy makeup like spontaneously because I want to make sure I buy something that is good and something that's gonna, like, you know, be something I like. And I can't just go and buy every single palette. And that's why, like, you guys will see me use the same thing because all these palettes, they have the same color. And it's like, yes, some colors are nice, but if it's not necessary to get it, like, if it's not no difference, why would I go and buy something that I already have? Like, I guess my hair's trying to bake too. Yo, this lash is like bugging me. If it looks weird, guys, just don't pay attention to it because I really don't feel like taking it off and fixing it. But usually I would prime my lips with some bliss sticks, of course, before everything, but I kind of forgot, so I'm doing it now.
Je veux que tu respires et que tu te sens vivre, que de l'amour on s'imprègne. Elle m'a cru, elle veut qu'on finisse ensemble toute la vie, que son futur se résume à deux dans une autre galaxie. Ces blessures qui nous sont bousillées, le quart de nos vies, oublier tout le monde, laisser sans regretter son avenir. Et yo, vas-y, jump dans ma Benz. Et yo, vas-y, jump dans ma Benz. Et yo, vas-y, jump dans ma Benz. Je vais pas le jour où tu partiras. Tu sais, passer en moi. Yeah, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tu me fais des gars. But no, you guys don't really have to do this part. But lately, I've been loving the blush. Y'all don't have to go so heavy with it, but yeah, I went really like ham with the blush, but you guys don't have to do that. So, but yeah, I know I went a little crazy with the blush, but that's the look that I want. But if you guys want to, you know, fix it up so it could be more natural looking, then do that. But I'm extra, remember? Ooh, it's all broken, but if it does the job, it's okay. So, since it's broken, that means the mirror is
visage est d'une beauté qu'un aveugle approuve, mais je me retrouve dans une situation de doute. Être à 100% dans une relation qui court à sa perte. Si tu ne me soutiens pas, et c'est la mienne, je suis loyal, fidèle en amitié, mais l'amour m'entraîne loin, ça me fait flipper. Alors est-ce que tu es prête à accepter le fait que tu m'aimes en ami? Tu sens en couple.
I'm gonna spray my face with this because I heard that it could be used as a setting powder too. I said setting powder, setting spray too. So I'm gonna test it out for y'all, and I will let you guys know in like another video or something. So you guys know that I always use like the powder to do my freckles. I'm gonna use this brown eyeliner. They look like little dots, right? I don't know if you guys could see it, but like lately I actually tried this new method and it looks so natural, and all I do with it is just dab on it with my fingers after it dries, just to take away like the harshness. What is this? It's like a orangey looking sheer lip gloss. It gave me that like brown orange tone that I wanted. So
I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, and I might say hey.
want you upon me team. Want you upon me team. Baby. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.